In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a purchase on Shopee using the cash on delivery option. Buying things online can be both convenient and fun, but sometimes it feels daunting. Shopee is a popular online marketplace where you can find just about anything you need, and today I'm going to walk you through the process of making a purchase using one of the most hassle-free payment options available, cash on delivery. So let's dive right in and we'll get you set up to shop with confidence. First things first, open up your web browser and go to the Shopee website. If you've shopped with Shopee before, you might already have an account set up, but if it's your first time, look for the sign up or register button at the top of the page and create a new account. This usually involves entering your email address, choosing a password, and perhaps verifying your details through email or SMS. Once you're all logged in, you'll land on the Shopee homepage, chock full of promotions, suggested items, and seasonal sales. Take a moment to explore the page, especially if you're new to the site. The more you familiarize yourself with it, the smoother your shopping experience will be. Now, let's find something to buy. Use the search bar at the top or browse through the categories if you have a general idea of what you'd like. Whether it's electronics, fashion, home gadgets, or even groceries in some regions, Shopee has a variety of options. Once you spot an item you're interested in, click on it to get more details. Here you'll see everything from product specifications, customer reviews, to ratings and price. This is the perfect time to leverage those reviews and ratings to ensure you're making a well-informed purchase. When you've settled on an item, you'll see an Add to Cart button. Click this to stash away the item as you continue shopping. Or, if you're ready, click Buy Now to go straight to the checkout process. The checkout page is where the magic happens. You'll be asked to confirm your delivery details, like your shipping address, so double-check these to avoid any delivery hiccups. Probably the most crucial part of today's focus is selecting your payment method. Scroll down to Payment Methods, and you'll find a list of available options. For this video, we're choosing Cash on Delivery, which means you'll pay the courier directly when your package arrives. It's a great option if you prefer not to enter credit card details online, or if you don't have a digital payment service set up. Once that's all set, review your order summary to ensure you've got everything just right. When you're satisfied, look for the Place Order button and give it a click. There you go, your order is all set. Shopee will send you an email confirmation, so keep an eye out for that and track your package as it makes its way to you. You've successfully navigated the process of using cash on delivery on Shopee, and your purchase will be in your hands in no time. Thanks for tuning in and happy shopping.